wheel, to be honest, was my third wheel. And I spent a whole year only riding this.
What's the bit of this time?
So we're here at Marlowe's training.
Yeah, exactly.
This happens every Sunday, right here in the center of Mississauga.
Yeah.
This is Marlowe. So tell people about the training.
Yeah, so if you're interested in learning this hobby, we are here every Sunday from 10 to 1, weather permitting. You can see everyone's here just hanging out, supporting the hobby, and if you guys want to just come out and check it out, come by. I'll have Thomas, I'll send him just the link where to register if you're interested to learn.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome. I will include the link somewhere in the video.
Actually, check the link in the description below, sign up for Marlowe's Sunday EUC training sessions, ask him to add you to our WhatsApp group, Chill and Ride. We meet up around downtown Mississauga. Exact location usually changes week to week depending on weather and/or circumstances, but we'll keep you posted. It is here where you will learn all the basics, starting from mounting, to balancing, to moving along. We have riders of all levels who are ready and willing to help teach and guide you. Sure, there are already lots of EUC tutorials on YouTube, but nothing beats learning in person.
There's a lot of I proved you guys wrong. Look. Edit this off, right? Edit this off.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
And I'm riding this at 90 miles per hour.
Whether you have a wheel of your own or not, doesn't matter. Marlowe brings trainer wheels to these sessions for you to try out, as long as you sign a waiver first and pay a $120 security deposit, which will also act as your credit to Smartwheel.ca to go towards the purchase of gear or your first wheel of your choice. Valid for 3 months.
That's the best time, bro. No, that's not time, bro.
I should try that. It'll balance, right? Like, is it on?
Yeah, so real quick, before anything else. So basically, this only activates when your foot is touching both sensors.
Right. Have you tried it before?
So I just a little bit. You see it turn both blue? That means both the on sensors and it'll activate when you tilt it up. So that's one thing. Shift the weight. Yep. If you need to fail, jump off with both feet. Do not leave one foot on. You see what I mean? You see what I mean?
Yeah, you know what? I'm not comfortable with that.
It's different. I started on this before I got EUC.
Really?
And then I got the S22, and then this thing never got EU.
Damn. Oh, yeah. I'm sticking with the EUC.
I love the EUC, dude.
This is how I found my people in the GTA, and honestly, it's changed everything.
All right. This is Dave. He's the resident Evel Knievel here. We call him Dave-O Knievel. Tell him how you've been.
I've been good. Took a nice little tumble. It's a 170-foot tumble, but walking.
Yeah, I mean, shit happens when you ride an EUC. Sometimes you crash, you fall on your face. Sometimes you fall down a 170-foot cliff. That's the wheel that he fell off on, and it happens to still work. Learn from all our mistakes, you know. Come to the training every Sunday. Jesus, look at that chunky seat. That is the chunkiest seat I've ever seen on an Aero.
Oh yeah.
Ugh, Jesus. Damn, you'd like your toes really, really
locked in, yeah.
Really locked in. Yeah. Even
It's
more
off-road,
than me.
man. You gotta lock in.
EUC riding is a blast solo, but with your own crew, it hits different.
Oh wow, the seat is nice. This is Glenn and Anton. They're some of the regulars at the Sunday training that we have here. Tell people how you started.
I don't know, man. I woke up and I just want to ride a Untitled.
YouTube, eh? Yeah, like me. Got a whole community here in Mississauga. Here learning to ride. Gonna recruit more people. Come ride with us.
Sunday.
Yep.
Oh, I feel like I want to smack.
I don't know. Not really feeling it.
The miss! Gangnam Style!
Copyrighted music.
You got fucked up, brother!
Yeah, I can't go backwards yet.
Please tell the audience how it feels to get knocked the fuck out.
Oh yeah, no, I got my helmet on. It's all good. Yeah.
Here's what makes our Mississauga group special. We're not out here to race or show off. We're just chill folks who love to ride. Most of us are over 30, some way over, but we welcome anyone, any age, any background, any skill level. You'll fit in. And hey, we're not all EUC snobs. Scooters, e-bikes, Onewheels, if it's electric and it moves, you're welcome here.
This is why they call me Milos, the first, the last, and the only. Ow! Let's go. Oh, sketchy. All right, let's go down and break our bodies. Oh! Ah, he died. I'm here all alone, stealing this camera. Ow! Content.
Brand new to all this? Curious but not committed? No problem. Hop on one of the trainer wheels here, get a feel for it, see if it clicks. We aim to make our training grounds as safe and friendly as can be for anyone interested.
I went up like you know that thing we always do?
Yeah, it just snowballed down the hill, right?
Midway, the wheel was going like this.
No, didn't it fall off from like... Yeah, because you weren't able to jump the curve.
And then the wheel went like that. And I was also falling, right? And I'm like, fuck, what am I gonna do? And
You got a fraction of what Dave felt that day.
Once you've got the basics down, we'll bring you on group rides.
Oh, good. Thank Thank God for helmet. Yeah.
You guys are ripping?
Yeah, all good.
Urban exploration, off-road trails, we do it all.
Done with training, go for a little off-road.
Sometimes we just roll out right after training. Actually, I'm about to show you some of that right now. Off-road group ride footage coming up.
Riverwoods, one of the nicer parks in Mississauga.
How much is one of these little...
Yeah, they range from 1,000 to 7,000.
Well, these ones are like $3 grand.
These are around 3 grand.
They're okay, yeah.
You know, hoping to hit some trails.
Very cool.
Uh-huh. You go up and down and everything. John's book. Let's go. Not too bad. Off-road in the Riverwoods.
Off-roading, hands down my favorite thing to do on the EUC, especially with a group. When I'm stuck dealing with the daily grind, this is where my mind goes.
Probably better to go this way. Oh, sorry.
I've been working from home since COVID changed everything, and honestly, gliding through scenic trails, breathing fresh forest air, it's the perfect escape and therapy from all that sedentary desk life.
we are in Riverwood.
Yeah, it is a river all the way.
Go that way.
Yeah, I think this is good.
Most of the tips from my street riding video still apply here, but off-road, you need more finesse. Uneven terrain, loose surfaces, it demands precision. Start with bent knees, always. Your wheel might have decent shocks, but your legs are your real suspension. Keep those knees ready to absorb whatever's coming. Bumps, roots, ruts, rocks, whatever, be ready to hop like a bunny as needed. Upper body stays steady like a gimbal. Hips gyrate with the wheel's movement. Use that heel-toe action with your dominant foot to control speed and lean the wheel against your other calf for maximum stability.
Almost is good, bro. Don't worry about it.
Good job, there you go.
Do this and you'll be able to handle most trails anywhere.
Come on, son!
Oh yeah, falling and crashing while off-roading? It's not if, it's when. There are plenty of ways to eat it out here, but the most common, pedal clipping.
Okay.
If you've never experienced it, here's what happens. Your pedals don't have enough ground clearance and they catch on roots, rocks, whatever's sticking up on the trail. Boom, down you go. That's exactly what got me here. And here.
Whoa. Shit, you okay?
Yeah.
You good? I got that, Thomas!
Look, they're building a ramp going down.
A ramp? Holy shit. Yeah, they are. That's pretty cool.
The Nosfet Aero has low sitting pedals by default. Great for stability, perfect for its playful handling, but not ideal for technical terrain.
Nothing to it.
A lot of us in the group love this wheel. 4 of us are riding Aeros today actually, and all of us, we've installed risers. 3/4 to 1 inch of extra height. Makes a huge difference for off-road capability. By comparison, street riding is more predictable. Asphalt is asphalt. A curb is a curb. You could argue it's easier. And yeah, you can go way faster. But off-roading, it'll make you a better rider. Period. The thrill of navigating challenging terrain, that's the real reward.
Oh, I don't know about that.
This might be slippery. Go start it there.
Oh shit. Fuck me. I'm gonna fall. I'm definitely gonna fall. Oh. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm done. Almost got it, Glenn. Steph is not trying. Woo. Yeah. So you got it. They've got it. Ooh. Oh, it's okay. Let Steph take his time.
Walk it!
Hi, Mommy.
Yeah, man.
Tell him to walk it.
Yeah. Take your time. Take your time.
Walk it! There you go.
You got it. You got it. You can do it, man.
There you go.
Let's go V14.
Yeah.
Plus, you use much less battery compared to street riding. More range, more fun. And here's the best part. Bring enough people and supplies, and you've got yourself a BBQ party in the woods. Now that's an amazing day. Check out my awesome EUC lifestyle playlist. There's a whole barbecue and ride video in there. And hit up my Instagram for more off-road adventures and barbecue sessions. Links in the description.
Woo!
That's crazy.
Have you tried it? Have you ever seen a black man green with envy? Why? Because you're seeing them right now.
It's really fun. You should look into it.
Yeah, it is.
Is that hard?
It depends. There's a learning curve. Some people get it right away. Some people take longer.
Like I had zero balance when I started, so it took me a long time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once you get used to it, it becomes part of you.
Oh, we got a couple of black riders in our group.
I'll fucking.
It's really fun. It gets you out.
Yeah.
We're just middle-aged men trying to enjoy the Sunday.
Hey, trust me, I get it. What's the price point on something like that?
Yeah, these are three. It could vary from 1,000 to 7,000.
Yeah, that one is more like $4,000. There are some that are like more expensive depending on how far you want to go.
There's a guy that hosts training on Sunday.
About
just branch or the speed?
What's the?
like about 50 for this
we can
one.
do 50
Yeah,
kilometers.
Come on.
The bigger ones we do.
The orange one.
This
Kilometers.
one. Yeah, kilometers.
This
Yeah.
is just for the fun round.
And are we talking about like throttle management together?
No throttle. It's all about weight. You lean forward, you go fast. You lean back, you go back. Your body is a joystick, basically.
Like that's nuts. And then I guess bicycle. Right. Basically.
Yeah.
But you need to learn.
You need to learn.
I'm the best rider among them. So
We have a training session.
yeah, today. Yeah, we just came off from training. Yeah. Oh boy. Into the thick of it. Wow. Yeah, let's take a little break. Woo! That was a lot of fun. Are you kidding me? Yeah, man.
And you didn't know there's a lot in here, right?
No, I never came here. This is great.
More in the middle there when you went.
Yeah. It's good thing you showed. The show was this place. Good stuff, man. Yeah. Oh, God. Are you kidding me? Jesus! The freaking wind. I already scratched the freaking,
Oh, so the guy that was selling brand new for 100.
Oh, shit! God damn it, not again!
Oh, no. Crack?
Oh.
It's cracked.
It's scratched just like last time, and this time it's the other side.